do the rabbit, and we're gonna start with the heart right here, and then we're doing the arteries. So the main artery coming out of the heart will be the aorta, and then as you kind of arch this a little bit, so it'll be the aortic arch, and then it's kind of small, but this little section right here will be the Brachiocephalic Artery. And then the Brachiocephalic Artery is gonna kind of break or divide into two, this one and this one, which will be the left common carotid and the right common carotid. This will be called the Brachiocephalic, and then there's another branch to this side right here, and something that you should know, it kind of changed its name. It's basically the same name, but it kind of changed its name as it hits a point where there's branches. So this one over here will be the right Subclavian Artery, and then it kind of hits a branch right here. You can kind of see this right here, which would be the vertebral. Actually, the vertebral thing is this one. Okay, right here. The vertebral artery right here, kind of going towards the vertebrae, right there. And then under we'll have the internal thoracic artery right there. And then I don't think your book has it, but this one right here, you kind of see how it goes to the ribs. This is the internal mammary artery right here. Right there. And then if you remember, this is the right subclavian. Kind of keep following it.
There might be too much light.
And then this portion right here will be the axillary artery right here, the axillary artery. Then as it keeps going, this will be the brachial artery. So you can kind of see it. Right there. And then there's a couple of branches in between. Some of these little veins right here, they kind of, run to the side. It would be like the costocervical arteries. And then let's see, there's one little guy right here. This would be the tyrocervical artery. And then you keep following the brachial artery. And so it kind of splits again. There you go. So this one will be the ulnar artery, and then this portion of it right here will be the radial artery. And that's it. So now if we kind of follow the carotids, we're gonna get into like really small vessels here. All right, so then remember this is a common carotid, and then it splits right here, and this branch right here that will go all the way over here will be the internal carotid, and then this portion will be the external carotid right here. You follow the external carotid, it's going to split again. And see, this little guy right here, there, will be the lingual artery. And then let me see. And then this bend right here this one right here, you can see it's very small, will be the facial artery. And then kind of to the side, the third branch will be the maxillary artery. So just again, so this will be the lingual, going to the tongue, the facial, going to the face, and the maxillary, going to the maxilla.